First, you'll want to find your inspiration here in the IKEA showroom, take some photos, and write down your notes for later. IKEA offers a variety of kitchen finishes in beautiful colors, styles, and also price levels. All IKEA SEKTION kitchens come with a free 25 years limited warranty. Over here is a selection of in-stock countertops. Pre-cut countertops are available in laminate and veneer butcher block finishes, and they'll be delivered right along with your cabinets. We also offer custom glass composite countertops. You can even choose your own edge style. Custom countertops will be measured and installed by the specialist countertop company. Knobs and handles will give just the right finishing touch. They come in a variety of different colors and styles. No kitchen is complete without integrated lighting to illuminate your countertops and shine inside cabinets. We even have motion sensing in-drawer lights. Think early on about what lighting you want. Your IKEA kitchen planner will plan and price the lights so they're delivered right along with your cabinets. Let's pick out some finishes and have a look here. And I think you said you'd like this countertop. It looks beautiful. Yeah, we have a variety of sinks and faucets in some nice traditional and modern styles. Sink is made of quartz composite. We also have stainless steel and ceramic. Yeah, most of our kitchen sinks come with a 25-year warranty, and kitchen faucets, 10-year limited warranty. IKEA is also a one-stop shop for appliances. Let's take a look over here. We have beautiful stoves, microwave, built-in wall ovens, and cooktops. Yeah, they have electric, gas, and induction. Most major appliances have a 5-year limited warranty included. This is an integrated refrigerator. The doors will perfectly match your new cabinets. Let's take a look at other refrigerators here. And beautiful dishwashers, even integrated with a door. So now that you've seen everything, let's schedule your kitchen planning appointment.